Today is Tuesday and I'm here with some more reviews. Today I'm going to start off with Zury Sis Beyond Your Imagination Collection Crimp wig, and this is the Crimp 16. You guys know I reviewed the Crimp 22 and the Crimp 34 already. Now they came out with the 16 and I think I'm loving this one even more because the ends of it is not puffing out. Because if they're going to continue with these crimp styles, I think I'm going to have to invest in a crimping iron just so I can fix it up, you know, once I take it out of the box, because they don't always stay properly, you know, once you take it out of the box. So yeah, I'm kind of happy that this one is not too big at the ends and it's crimped all the way down. Although it seems like some really big crimps, I wish it was a little bit smaller, like finer crimps. I don't know, to me I think it would have looked better with this length. But anyway guys, let's get into it. So this is in the color number 1 jet black, and it is a right side lace part. It comes with baby hairs along the entire hairline, so you could utilize that if you want to. And the parting space was flat straight out of the box, so I didn't have to use heat to it. Of course it is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but I didn't have to use heat to it because it was flat enough. Like, this is pretty much like perfect straight out of the box, I should say. And the parting space is 5 inches deep, just so you know. But guys, this is an HD lace wig. You guys know the HD lace. To be honest, the HD lace reminds me of the Swiss lace. Remember when Swiss lace just started coming out and it was a thing, and then all the wigs started, you know, being Swiss lace, and they stayed away from all the hard plastic lace. I don't think I've had a hard plastic lace in like a minute, like a good minute. So I think all the wigs now, they pretty much make it with a Swiss lace or something at least soft like the Swiss lace. So I think it's the same thing with the HD lace. They started off coming out with the HD lace, and now every wig is gonna be HD lace. That's what it seems like to me. So I don't know, get used to it, you guys. If you're darker, invest in a lace tint spray or something so you can darken the lace. But anyway, this is what the stock card looks like right here. And guys, I will leave the colors that it comes in. Where isn't this focusing? I will leave the colors that it comes in the description box down below so you can check it out, and I'll leave a link there as well. So if you guys want to purchase, you can click on the link. It will take you directly to this unit on the website. You can choose a color, purchase from there. But in terms of the cap, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and it's a stretchable mesh material cap. It feels really comfortable. I would say it's between medium to large in cap size. It feels like it can fit a larger head size. Okay, like I said, it's very comfortable, and there's extra room, extra stretch in there, so it can definitely fit a larger head size. But guys, of course this is going to be a giveaway. You probably already seen it in the title and the thumbnail. You probably already took part down below. If you guys want to take part in the giveaway, make sure follow all the rules in the comment section down below. Take part in the giveaway. The winner will be announced this upcoming Friday in the giveaway announcement video. So yeah, just take part. But thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything I forgot to mention about this unit, shedding, I got a few strands, but it was when I was finger combing the front of it, so that may be because I cut the lace too close to the hairline. But the rest of it, I didn't get any shedding from it, and it's very soft, very smooth yaki texture, so there's no tangling or anything like that. It's really soft for the most part. But this is pretty much it, you guys. Yes, if I forgot to mention anything else, leave me a question in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye.